So does she join? Well, okay. This is another effect wherein see, I have selected this one, this layer, and I have added path text. The path text is over here only under absolute path text. Okay. This is also one of the best tools for intro typo or text animation. So what I'll do, let me just reset this first. So by default, like when you apply path text, it will ask, okay, let me just create one first. Right click, absolute path text. So it will open a folder like this. Okay. I just have one. Okay. And give okay. So now you get something like this. Fine. If you look closely here, there is a text here. Okay. But it is so small. By default, whatever text we have given, it will be there. See, the name itself says path text. Okay. It is a path. On the path, the text will come. Right. It's like that. So what I'll do, let me increase the size of this first. And paragraph alignment, it is in the left. Let me add this in the center, or force. Force is nothing but it will split from one end to another end, all to like it comes in a way together. So now let me reduce the size. See, it's shrinking like this. Size I'll key around here. I'll increase the size. Okay. So you can define here how you want. See this, how does this comes? Okay. So you can add, for any short film or anything, you can create an intro like this. You can add a name, it will come. That's path text. Okay. You have bezier, you have circular. On the circular, you will be getting or loop or even a line. On a line also, it will come. Like this. Okay. So this is path text. So anyhow, just check this. Similarly, interlace flicker, spill suppressor. These are when you're working on multiple footages, shooted video footages, when you have recorded something. Interlace flicker will be there from one frame to another frame. Kind of flickering effect will be there. That can be removed. Okay, those are interlace flicker. You can remove that. Spill suppressor is nothing but you will be, when you remove keying using green screen or blue screen chroma, when you do the main highlighted blue color or green color will be removed, and there are certain color patches will be there, that also can be removed using spill suppressor. Okay, so this is absolute. Okay, then we'll go to the next one. Perspective. Perspective is one of the main effect area. So we have seen CC sphere earlier, right? For solar system. So same way we can do for other things also. .3D camera tracker, 3D glasses and all. I'll show you when we are working with 3D models and all. Anyhow, what it will do, 3D camera tracker. Okay, this is for compositing purpose actually. We need to select a trap point and we have to do, okay. The layer should be 3D in this case, and uh, we need to work on the footage actually. So for tracking purpose, okay, we will see this separately. 3D camera tracker. Okay. So we have an additional task. That work is completely different for 3D tracker and 3D glasses. You just, let's say, bevel alpha, other stuffs and all. Okay. Edge thickness, the image thickness it will come. Okay. Light angle it will define. Means here actually it is happening. Let me just show you. Reduce this. You will get to know. You will get to see the difference. The here border. Okay. So as I'm increasing the thickness, see, can you see this image? It looks like it means you are getting a depth. You are adding bevel to the edges. It's kind of a tile, multiple tiles. Okay, I'll show you. Let me apply one effect for this. The CC tile effect from Generate. You will get to know. Cell pattern, distort, CC tiler. Yes, this one. Okay, see this guys now. When I add tile effect, this image, multiple image, when you look into this, you'll get to know. See, these are bevels, okay, individual image bevel. So now, under bevel, light angle also you can change, light color also you can change, okay. Edge thickness you can define, okay. Light intensity you can define. Understood? Getting any doubt is there? So this is bevel alpha. So bevel edges. Bevel edges is this one. Automatically you get an output like this. So turn on CC Tyler. Okay, fine. You get like this. This is bevel. Automatically an image, you get an output like this. So then I'll see again perspective. You have CC cylinder. Okay, cylindrical effect. This one. Can you see? The image is rotating here. Last time we have seen sphere. This is sphere. This is cylinder, right? Okay, cylindrical effect you have. See? Z-axis. Guys, any doubt? You zoom into this, zoom into inside this image, you get an output like this. Okay. So try this, you will get to know what kind of things you can do with this. Similarly, you have a CC sphere, sphere and environment. This is environment. Okay. So, actually, let's say this one. Effect, perspective, CC sphere. Yes, we got this. So this we have seen in, solar system, right? So it's the same effect. Just try this. We have done this already. Same thing, spotlight, drop shadow, and radial shadow. Spotlight is nothing but you get like this. Okay. Light shadow. See, from this point, let's say you have one point here. From this point, let's say shadow, one person is moving here and there. So you can have, okay. Let's say one person is character is walking from here to there, you can have a spotlight like this you can do. Okay, so you have to create one simple example, spotlight effect. So whichever I'm mentioning, no, those things if you do, you can use these footages or the final output for your demo reel purpose. So that's why I'm selecting the highlighted one. Okay, so this is spotlight. Similarly, you have drop shadow. It's quite simple. When you have a footage of this like this, okay, you can add drop shadow here. Okay, can you see here, distant, softness, you can define this. Where do you want shadow and opacity? Getting, see, I turn off this, I add drop shadow. It will give a depth for the scene. This is drop shadow. Similarly, you have selecting this radial shadow. It's over here.
Next, next, even next page.
So we'll get this for in smaller footages or for smaller clips. Let's see this separately later. Okay. Let's see this radial shadow separately. So I think from perspective we have cleared everything. So next is simulation. I'll show you. These are very interesting stuff. I'll show you in the next class. Okay. Okay, Chapulu, any doubt is there? Chapulu, are you following me? Any doubts?
Yes, I'm following, sir.
Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll end this session. Okay, I'll save all the video and I'll upload in channel. So refer to the videos if you guys have any doubts. Okay, see you then. Okay then, bye. Take care. Have a good day.
ಲೈನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟದ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಿತ್ತು